I'm getting ready to put a roll cage in my GTO, but I want to do it right the first time. And it's a unibody car, so I went and got an SFI book, and it'll tell you everything you need to know about building a roll cage. The next thing you need to know is the tube does not qualify because it has a seam weld on it. I don't know if you can see that. And you're supposed to use chromoly tube, it doesn't have a seam in it. I went down to Pondy's shop and got some chromoly tubing from him and had him put this bend in this pipe. This is the most important pipe for putting in a roll cage that you should start with. And it goes down in between the rockers here. And then you put in your gussets on the outside.